Fruits and vegetables. Today, my friends, we will learn the names of some fruits and vegetables. Are you ready?
Yeah!
We start with fruits first. Apple. Apple. Orange. Orange. Banana. Banana. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Grape. Grape. Pineapple. Pineapple. Mango. Mango. Watermelon. Watermelon. Kiwi. Kiwi. Strawberry. Strawberry. Now comes the roll of vegetables.
Yeah!
Tomato. Tomato. Cucumber. Cucumber. Potato. Potato. Onion. Onion. Cabbage. Cabbage. Aubergine. Aubergine. Carrot. Carrot. Lettuce. Lettuce. Pepper. Pepper. Zucchini. Zucchini. We're done today. Wait for us soon with a new lesson.
Yeah!